You see where that blue arrow is? That's where the actual slab leak is. And you see the little blue pieces of tape? That's where we have traced out the lines underneath the concrete. And here we can see we've got the pipes cut open, and you can see that down in there, the one that doesn't have water in it, that's where their slab leak is. That pipe is the leaking pipe. So we're putting a fish tape down there just to confirm that we are in the right place. And you'll see when we look under this cabinet, you'll see the other end of the fish tape. And I'll pull that out so that we have confirmed that we are going from the right place to the right place. So we got a temporary shark bite on there to verify that that's the only leak. And here I am, we're deleting that part of the manifold, going to the faulty pipe, and just straight piping it. That part of the pipe won't be useful anymore. So we took part of it out, and now we're piecing the useful part back together.
Get up in here where you can see. Hold on.
What? No.
What happened?
Well, that's a new move. That one I did price.
I don't know. I'm going to do it again just in case. That's a new dance move.